show you how I preserve tomatoes. I'm gonna do some whole and I'm gonna do cut some in pieces. Sometimes I like to have a whole one and I'm cooking up codfish or something. It's not all smashed up, you know. So these are the tomatoes, and as you can see, I already scored the bottom. I put a little X on the bottom just so they open up much easier. Once they hit the hot water, they're gonna open up and I get to strip off the skin. So watch for the next part. So I'm dipping them in hot water, putting them in the hot water so they can the skin could strip off. And it doesn't need to be boiling. It was boiling. I turn it down. So I'm just putting them in. And once they start look like the little ends look like the pulling off of the tomato, then I'll oops, water flash on the camera. All right, too close maybe. Anyway, I'm gonna put the rest in, and once I start taking them out, and when I take them out, I'm gonna put them in cold water. You can see all the tomatoes are out of the and it's I put them in cold water. See, they're out, and they're stripping. See, they automatically just strip off, and you just strip all of them off, and then we're gonna cut them and put them in the jars. These jars are called ball jars. Ball jars. I think it's on it somewhere. Ball jars. Or they have other kinds. I think there's another company. And when you want to preserve things, these are the best things to use. Of course, when we were back in Jamaica, we used a jam bottle. A jam jar or something, and it worked. But these are made for preservation, for preserving things. So this is the cover. And we put this piece inside of that, turn that off, and this seal you see here, it seals it. We're gonna have to know, once I fill them, I'm gonna put them back in hot water, and it's supposed to make a little sound, go ploop, and I hope I'll be able to get you to, one could happen, so I could have you listen to it. You go ploop, and then it's sealed. And you can just put them anywhere. Just put them in the shelf, put them in your pantry or anywhere. And until you open them, they're good for maybe years. I don't know. I've had mine some for over a year. Last year I did some, and I really didn't remember to video them, and I just got rid of some in a jar because I said, all right, let's get rid of this because I'm gonna do more. So it's not a hard process, it's a simple process. I'm going to strip these and come back to you. So, as you can see, I've been filling up my bottles with the tomato. When you take the tomato, as I showed you before, out of the pot, you cut off this little top because it's kind of hard and you don't want it. So I've been cutting them off in here. This is all that's left that I'm going to cut and put in another bottle. So I think I'm gonna get like 5 bottles. I put a little salt and a little lemon juice in the bottom and of the jars, and then you put the tomatoes in, and you fill it and leave like a 1/4 inch to the top, just about a 1/4 inch, because you need a little space. Because now I'm gonna put the top on, and this is how you screw it on. I'm gonna screw it properly when I'm done, but you screw them on. And I have the water boiling here, and I'm gonna drop it in there. I'm gonna put them in, I'm gonna put them in there and put them in the water. And you don't seal them too much, they say, because it gotta do its own seal. Gotta do its own seal. Yeah, now I can put them in. So I'm gonna put 3, only 3 this can hold. They actually have a container for this, to do this kind of thing, but I don't have that. I have a double boiler. So I'm putting the bottles in, and they're gonna go pop. When they're sealed, they'll go pop. I gotta cover this one. And once they do that, you take them out. And even if it didn't go pop, once you have in there for a while, sometimes it does it seals when it come out. So I'm putting 3 in here. Did I turn that on? Yep, turn it on. It's supposed to be like this. And it's a little messy, everything is wet, but I'm handling tomatoes, so there you go. So you don't even need to wipe that off because it's going into water. Right, and I'm gonna set those 3 are there and I have maybe one more to go. And once it goes pop, you know, they're sealed and they can last for a year or so. So that's my process, you know, for doing my own tomatoes. So for preserving tomatoes, you know, we have a lot outside and a lot more downstairs. Some of them are not quite ripe yet. I picked them half ripe, and I'll do another set. So this is how you can give fresh tomatoes to your children, grandchildren, or just for yourself. All right, and this will last for a long time. We're in New York. It's winter. Winter is coming, and wintertime you can't grow tomatoes here. Unlike Jamaica or Florida or some warmer climate, you can't grow tomatoes in the wintertime. So this is a way. You can see that little hump in the top of that jar. It means it's not sealed yet. Now look at this one. No hump. See? It's sealed. So this one is ready to cool and put away. Now I just opened this one because it seemed like it had bubbles, and it did because it was full and it had space down there. They didn't put the thing deep enough when I was setting it up. So look now, it was full, but now it's lower. So because I was using the this metal thing here, any stick you can use to put around it, and when you look, you see bubbles coming up. I don't see any more bubbles right now, but bubbles was coming up. Hence, everything has gone down, because if bubble is down there, they're not going to seal. If air, I should say, is down there. So this one is sealed. I might have to top it up a little more because I want it like up here before I put the cover on. So I'm going to find some more tomatoes and fill it up and put it back in the hot water. So I made the video about August, you know, showing you the previous video, showing you what how the process is to preserve the tomatoes. And I just opened one, and this is November. Couple months down the line, and I just opened the first one, and you can see now this tomato is not going to make you a salad, not unless you like them soft, but it can be put in anything you're going to cut up, whether you're putting it in any kind of meat you put tomatoes in. Some people put it when they're stewing chicken, and or if you're gonna cook up some codfish or something. And also the water went way down. Before I took these out, the water was like here, and as you know, the water was way up here, liquid anyway. So it has dried out a bit for the past few months. And also, here's another bottle, still full. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like, you know, when you're taking out. So you take out some pieces, and I just wanted to see what it is. Nice little pieces, nice. I just ate a piece. Because, you know, I put some salt in it and everything. But anyway, this is the result of the, showing you, this. I'm just showing you the result of making, you know, after you make the tomatoes. See, here's a nice little slice. Look. See, some of them will come out a little softer and some will be harder. Depends on what they were like before you put them in. So thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe to my channel